That sucks, man.
You're only gonna be gone for a few days, right? You are gonna come back to me. It's not the end of the world.
You better make a promise.
A power to restore balance.
Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Yo! One more time? One more time. I was not... Yo! Oh, fuck! Damn! Yo! Got one more... This officially will be the last time. Last time. One more time? One more time. Oh, shit. Pause. Damn. Yo. What the fuck? Godzilla looks awesome on. Oh my. Look at yo. Godzilla is huge as fuck. And if you look closely, it look like he's ripped. It look like he been hitting that gym 24/7. 64, you know, Christmas. 64 days of the year. Oh, shit. Godzilla looks so good. Fuck. Godzilla is huge and ripped like fuck. Yo, do you fucking see that? That shit is crazy. I'm done. This is it. I can't. No more. Along with The Amazing Spider-Man 2. For me, that shit comes out, Amazing Spider-Man 2 comes out in 2 weeks. I'm not seeing another Amazing Spider-Man. I'm not seeing nothing else. I'm not seeing, after this clip of Godzilla, that's it. I'm not watching nothing else that has to do with this. I am sorry. That's just how I feel. I apologize. Do you understand and respect that? Yes? Alright. And I respect your decision. Fuck. That looks awesome. And you best believe I'm seeing that in IMAX. Alright? To my fans and to my viewers, you stay awesome. Oh! Wow, I don't know how I forgot this. This looks awesome times awesome equals, I said equals on Godzilla only knows. I'm out. Fuck!